front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I'll show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. Now it looks like it actually is turned off by default, so we will need to press on this box right here, and as you can see there is our toggle right here. So once you locate it, hold it, drag it over to the top, and drop it. When you go back, you can now quickly access it from here. Now the first time around, I'd recommend you to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So in here we have schedule route, we have the exceptions for notifications, messages, calls, and then ring for repeated callers, and also silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. Once you go through this and customize it to your liking, you can close this and never come back here again. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply press on the toggle, select turn on, and there you go. As you can see, there is the moon icon signifying that it is right now running. And if you want to utilize the scheduled mode, just make sure that the schedule in the settings is turned on and you don't need to toggle it on like I just did. Now for the manual route, once you're done with it, do turn it off, otherwise it will be permanently running in the background. And you do so by just tapping on the toggle like I just did. Anyway, that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.